Hey everyone, in today's video we'll be building a habit tracker in Notion. A template of this habit tracker is available in my online store. Check for a link in the description. If you want to learn more about building in Notion, keep watching. Let's get an overview of the habit tracker dashboard. The dashboard is broken up into two sections, Quick Track and Progress. Quick Track is a collection of buttons that check off each of your habits for the current day. Progress is a calendar view of your habits that shows you which habits are checked off and total daily progress at a glance. Each day, a new page labeled and dated for today populates, and you can check off habits either by clicking the complete button or by checking off the tasks in the today entry. Let's start building. First, start with a blank page and make it full width. Create a rough outline by entering headings and dividers. Create a toggle to store your habits database at the bottom of the page, and create a new full-page database. In your database, first delete the tags property and the empty pages. Create a new page and title it @today. This will ensure that each page is titled the day that it's entered. Next, add a created time property to assign pages to the correct days. It's important to use a created time property and not a date property, for an automation we'll be setting up soon. Now we will enter the habits we want to track as checkbox properties. I'm setting up 3 for now, but I'll show you how to set up more at the end of the video. The last property in the database is a progress bar. Create a new formula property and title it progress. Edit the formula and enter the function toNumber followed by your habit property, and then add 2 numbers for your other properties as well. Be sure to close off these properties with parentheses. Finally, select how you want the progress bar to appear. Pick your color and divide by the total number of habits you're tracking, in this case 3. Now that the database is done, let's create a template page for new database pages. Title the template @today and pick an icon. Set the template as the default for the database and make it repeat daily. This will create a new database page every day, dynamically titled and dated. Now that the habits database is completely done, we can go back to the habit tracker dashboard and start filling in the blanks. First, we'll create a linked view of the habits database. Select the default view. Add a new view and select Calendar. Uncheck Show Database Title and select Show Calendar as Week. In the Quick Tasks section, we're going to add our buttons. Start by creating a callout. Update the color and icon and enter heading text. Create a divider and a button and drag them into the callout. Give the button a name and an icon. Set the pages to edit where date is today. Select your habit and set property to checked. Hit done. Duplicate the callout twice, reposition them, and update the titles, icons, and the buttons. If you want to create more habits later on, there are a few steps you'll have to take. First, add another checkbox property to your habits database. Then edit your progress properties formula. Add another toNumber function and click Done. Increase the divide by field to the new number of total habits. Finally, on the habit tracker dashboard, duplicate one of the callouts, reposition it, and update the title, icon, and the button. Repeat this for as many habits as you would like. That's the full breakdown of how to build my habit tracker. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, a like would be greatly appreciated. If you have questions about this build, please leave them down in the comments. I'd love to engage with you there. For more content like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I plan to post bi-monthly with helpful Notion content and builds. Catch you all in the next one.